In this video, I am going to show you how to create the pie charts for categorical data. First, I will demonstrate how to manually calculate the angle, center angle, and then I will show you the easiest way to generate the pie chart automatically using Excel. Let's get started. So, to begin, we need to set up our data like this. Then, first, I will create the relative frequency column. I will type here as a relative frequency. Then in order to make the relative frequency, first we have to create the total summation of the frequency. In order to do that, I will highlight this column, then go to the insert, formula, then hit auto sum. Then you will see the total summation of the frequencies here. Then to find the relative frequencies, I will type here first equal sign, then click on frequencies, divide by 4072. Then we have to copy the formula to each of these cells, but you will see that you got the wrong value. It did not automatically calculate it, so that's the reason why. So this value should be constant. Then we will programize here. This is B6, so then I will go to here and type the $sign, then enter it. So then if you copy this formula to each of this cell, you will see that automatically it calculated the value what we needed. So but then finally we have to round this relative frequency to the 3 decimal as your preference. So I will do round off this value to the 3 decimal. Then I will type here 3. Then again I will copy this one for the other cells too. So we made the relative frequency here. Then to get the angle, so to find the center angle, I need to multiply 360 by the categories relative frequencies. So in order to do that, I will type here equal sign, then 360 times frequency, and after we got the first angle, then you can drag this formula to other cell too. Then automatically we can generate next angles. Instead of calculating the angles, we can create the pie chart quickly using Excel built-in features. First, I will highlight the data set and go to the insert button, and you will see the pie chart option. So I will choose it. So then if you see this pie chart, you can't see any percentage of the area. So how much is percentage is it's representing this pies. So if you want to get that option, so you have to click the pie chart, then you will see the add chart element option, then go to the data label and choose more data label option. Then you can go to here and click this label option, then click here. So I want to change to the percentage. If you don't want the value, you can unclick it, and I like the category name. And if you want to display this one as as the outside end, you can click here. Then each of the percentage of each category showing outside of the pie chart. Then if you want to give the title of the pie chart, as this is our data set, it's earned degree convert in 2019, I can type it here as earned degrees convert in 2019. Then if you want to do more visibility, you can adjust the font size and color using these options. This is how we create the pie charts for categorical variable. Thank you.